Patrick from Ken Patrick Culinary Group. I'm also a private and personal chef located here in Dallas, Texas. And guess what? Today I'm going to show you how to prepare some Cajun dirty rice. So basically I started with the trinity, the holy trinity is what they call it, the peppers, the onions, and the celery. Diced those up, sauteed them down. We added some ground sausage to that. And the most important thing, which makes it dirty rice, are the ground chicken livers. Okay, I added those to that. And we actually let it cook down, and we added the rice. I kind of deglazed with a little white wine and a little chicken stock. You can make chicken stock yourself, or you can buy it in the store. It's always best to make it at home. And we put the lid on it, we let it reduce, let the rice steam, and this is what we have here. Just a little pot of Cajun dirty rice. And I like to add a little parsley and green onions right at the end and just kind of mix it through. And now we're going to take it to the bowl and show you how to serve this. For the plate up, we're going to add a little, just for garnish, a little fresh parsley, a little scallion, and then we'll put a little the Cajun spice. I'm Ken Patrick, and I've just showed you how to prepare a quick and easy Cajun dirty rice. And actually I served it with a little Chef Justin Todd Allen's habanero hot sauce, where he focuses on less heat and more flavor. We'll see you next time.